to Flamingo Land in North Yorkshire. I'm here today to check out the construction of the new ride and ride some roller coasters that have already hit you. Right, so here is the construction site of Flamingo Land's new roller coaster, which will open in 2020. You can already see some construction on like the footers and the foundations. Here you can see the land that has been cleared. One thing you may notice is that the runaway mine train is in this cleared land. The runaway mine train has actually been relocated next to Zoom, so that is there now. So the roller coaster itself is actually a clone. It is made by the manufacturer Intamin, and it has 10 inversions. This video now is a current roller coaster at Cinecittà World in Italy. It's called Altair, and this is exactly what the Flamingo Land roller coaster is going to look like. So please feel free to leave a comment below on what you think about the new ride. Personally, I'm very excited because Flamingo Land is my home park, therefore I think it's a great addition and can help get the park well known across the world maybe.
Oh, hi, thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
Know your fucking place, trash.
So just before I got on Kamali, the ride op did something very strange. In fact, he headbutted this cow. Here is a dramatic reconstruction. And here we go! Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, look at it! Whoa! 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 This is intense! Whoa! Zero G! Whoa! And that is Kamali. Oh shit, I forgot to record it.
Meanwhile,
we are currently stuck at the bottom of this lift, so I don't know what is happening, but we've been here for quite a few minutes now. Hopefully it can continue. We are now getting evacuated off the ride. And yeah, we just got evacuated off this thing. It's an ankylosaurus. Ah, ah. Hello.
2 hours later.
Jesus Christ, I'm soaked. So I went on this swings ride, I'm not sure the exact name for it, but you can get a good view of the whole park and especially the construction site. So I could see a good view of the new ride. So there's the construction site, but another thing I've noticed whilst I was up here was that there are some yellow and blue signs around that weren't here this morning, so we can go and check them out. These signs have been put up whilst I was at the park, and they can see some stats, and look at those barrel rolls there. Around the construction site you can see a lot of these signs, they just scattered all the way around. So yeah, that's there now. It's almost closing time, but let's have one last look at the construction site. This is from a different angle, but you can see where there might be a loop or something there. So that is the end of a fun day at Flamingo, and I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.